Have you ever wondered what makes parrots so colorful and intelligent? Here are 5 miraculous traits that reflect Allah's perfect design. Brilliant feathers. Their vibrant colors help them blend into rainforests, showcasing Allah artistry. Bristle beaks. Parrots use their curved beaks to climb, crack nuts, and groom themselves. Amazing mimicry. They mimic human speech and sounds with unique vocal cords. Gripping feet. With 2 toes forward and 2 backward, their Zygodactyl feet firmly grasp branches. Sharp intelligence. Parrots solve puzzles, recognize faces, and form bonds. Parrots remind us of the beauty and balance in Allah's creation. هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه.